Now the second process, that is ammonification. The nitrogenous organic compounds in the dead body of the plants and animals are converted into ammonia or the ammonium ions in the soil. This is carried out by ammonifying bacteria. So here is a particular bacteria that is responsible for this conversion. Ammonia is toxic to the plants, but the ammonium ions, it can be safely absorbed by the higher plants. So that is why it is consumed mostly in the ammonium ion form. Ammonification occurs due to ammonifying bacteria, like I told you. So what are the examples of those ammonifying bacteria? Bacillus mycoides, Bacillus aeugerius, and the Bacillus ramosus. Ammonification is a mineralization process. Now here is a flow chart. You can see the proteins from the dead cell. By the microbial decomposition, it reaches the amino acids and then it is converted into ammonia plus the organic acid. Organic acid which is released in this process are used by the microorganisms for their own metabolism. So nothing is getting wasted. Ammonia is consumed by the plants and the organic acid, it is consumed by the microorganisms. Some of this ammonia, it violates and re-enter the atmosphere. By most of it is converted into the nitrates. So ammonia, some of this is consumed in the vapor form, it goes into the atmosphere, while the rest of them is there in the nitrate form, and then further it is accumulated in the plants. If ammonia is not absorbed directly by the plants, then it is converted into nitrate through the process of nitrification. So next process is nitrification. So nitrification, what it is? The conversion of this ammonia in the soil into the nitrates and the nitrites, it is called nitrification. This is done by the nitrifying bacteria. What are those? Nitrosomonas, Nitrosococcus. It converts the ammonia into the nitrites, and Nitrobacter, it converts these nitrites into nitrates. Like this, Nitrosomonas, Nitrosococcus, it is converting the ammonia. And this is Nitrobacter converting again these nitrates into nitrites. Nitrifying bacteria are chemoautotrophs and are benefited by utilizing energy released in the oxidation which is used in the chemosynthesis. At soil temperature, that is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius in alkaline soils, and with sufficient moisture and aeration, the activity of ammonifying and nitrifying bacteria is found maximum. So at this temperature, their activity can be maximum. The nitrates thus form is absorbed by the plants and it is transported to the leaves. In the leaves, it is reduced to form ammonia that finally forms the amine group of the amino acid. Now after the nitrification, the next process that comes is denitrification. So what it is? The conversion of these nitrates and the nitrites in the soil into atmospheric N2, it is called denitrification. It is done by the denitrifying bacteria. Micrococcus denitrificans and Bacillus denitrificans, Pseudomonas and Theobacillus, all these are the denitrifying bacteria. Denitrification, it is also referred as dissimilarity nitrate reduction. And here is the step how it is converted into molecular form again. Nitrates are reduced into nitrites by the enzyme nitrate reductase. The nitrites are reduced to the ammonia by the nitrite reductase. The ammonia is so formed is enzymatically incorporated in the amino acids. So denitrification does not occur to any significant degree in well aerated soils with moderate amount of nitrates and organic matter. It occurs in water-logged anaerobic soils with a high organic matter content. So this is the nitrogen cycle that you can see, the ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, biological nitrogen fixation, all these are the processes of nitrogen fixation.